Okay, the idea behind a piecewise perimeter, essentially you're just trying to find the sum of all the sides. You're just trying to add up all the sides. So most of the sides, this one's 16, this one's 6, this one's 11, this one's 14, this one's 9. The real question is this guy here. We don't really know what that is. So we have to kind of use our given information to figure out what that is. So if you think about it, if I just extend these lines, kind of infinitely long, I know that from this top line to this bottom line is 16 yards. And I know that because the distance is the same as this side over here. I also know from here to here is 11 yards, because again, that's the same size as this guy right here. So really what we're trying to find when we're trying to find this side is we're trying to find how much more do I have to go from 11 to get 16. So a couple ways you can do this. You can say this missing side plus the 11 has to equal 16. So that if I subtract 11, I get x equals 5. And that would be yards. You can also just kind of think about it. What number do I have to add to 11 to get to 16? And again, that would be 5. So that one is 5 yards. So now we know that missing side. So the last step, since we're trying to find the perimeter, now we'll just add up all those sides. So 16 plus 14 for the top, plus 5, this new one I know, plus 8, the one that kind of goes back to it, 11, which is the one that goes down, and 6, the one that goes across. So if I add all these up, you could use a calculator. I'll just add them by hand. So I have 30, and then I have 13, and then I have 17. So that's going to be 30 plus 30. So this is 60 yards. So once you find that missing side, we're just adding them all together, and that's our perimeter.